Hi, welcome back. My World 67. Just a quick video. I just opened this box and I got the return of my motor back from BENZ Trains. Benjamin did a great job as usual. I knew if I couldn't get it going that he would be able to. And so I was just wanting to do a quick video to show you that this motor is now running. This is the same motor that you saw on the videos that he did on his repair of this motor. I have also here, he had mentioned the whistle that goes on this back side of this motor, and I don't know if I'm going to attempt to put it back on right now or not. I probably will attempt to put it on later. I'll pull this out again and I'll show you in the following videos on this engine. This is a 1939 Blue Comet engine. Yeah, hold on just a minute and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this is the shell for that Blue Comet. See there, the Comet. It's American Flyer, as I said, and this motor goes in this shell, and it's a real simple process. Take out the screw, mount it over its hole, put the little washer, and the screw back in. These were really simply mounted. Marks used similar mountings, and so did Lionel. There it is. Now I have a complete Comet engine again, and this goes to a set. It's a passenger set, and you'll be seeing that passenger set in future videos. I just want to say again, thank you, Ben, for your help, and see you in the next video. That's all I have for you for now. As always, happy rails to you. Bye.